Hey everyone, welcome back to TechTitan Reviews. If you're an action camera enthusiast, or someone who just loves capturing high-quality footage of your adventures, today's topic is going to blow your mind. We're diving into the latest leaks and rumor-ed specs of Insta360's upcoming camera, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. From jaw-dropping 8K video resolution to sophisticated stabilization technology, this camera is packed with features that will redefine the standards of action cameras in 2024. Let's kick things off with what we know about the design and build quality. One of the standout aspects of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its sleek, durable, and compact form factor. Action cameras are designed to endure some serious wear and tear, and this model appears to be no different. The ergonomic design ensures that the camera fits snugly in your hand, minimizing discomfort during prolonged use. This makes it ideal for adrenaline-pumping activities like mountain biking, skiing, or water sports. Insta360 has also reportedly included a high-resolution front-facing display that makes it perfect for vlogging or self-shooting scenarios. This means no more guesswork when framing your shots. And if that's not enough, the Ace Pro 2 is rumored to come with a completely waterproof design, allowing it to withstand submersion in water up to a depth of 10 meters without additional housing. Now, let's dive into the juicy details, the camera specifications. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is expected to feature an impressive 8K video recording capability, making it one of the highest resolution action cameras on the market. Such high resolution means sharper, more detailed footage, allowing users to zoom in or crop without losing much quality. Whether you're capturing the fast-paced thrill of a motocross race or creating cinematic slow-motion shots of crashing waves, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has you covered with options ranging from 30 FPS to 240 FPS. What really sets the Insta360 Pro 2 apart from its competitors is its cutting-edge stabilization technology. Shaky footage has long been the bane of action camera users, but Insta360 is tackling this issue head-on with its proprietary stabilization system. Insta360 is known for its versatility, and the Ace Pro 2 will continue this tradition by offering a variety of shooting modes. This camera is expected to come equipped with manual and automatic modes, giving users complete creative control. Battery life and connectivity are often overlooked features, but they can make or break the usability of an action camera. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is expected to sport an enhanced battery that supports extended recording times. The expected launch date is around late 2024, and the camera will likely be available through Insta360's official website and major electronics retailers. As for the price, it's rumored to fall in the $500 to $700 range, making it a strong contender against other flagship action cameras from brands like GoPro and DJI. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.